Hey everyone, welcome to Lance Fantasy Gaming vlogging series for this week. I just finished school for the summer, so I have a 1 month break. I am going to try to live stream. If you guys really want to see live stream, probably only in the weekend, gaming or painting. I'm still figuring that out. I am right now cleaning out the closet. It's almost done. Then the garage is a different story. And I'll show you guys a video of the garage later on. Probably next week. Please subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. And so I got the 80 cubic Cobra Max 2. And that's my Tai crying. Yeah. Yeah, I know. Uh-huh. Yeah. What do you what so I got the FDM printer for it, and we got two Pokemons out right now. Gengar, Ashley is right now working on that. Then we have the Mimikyu one, and these suckers are pretty huge compared to my hand. They're pretty huge as it is. Same thing with the Gengar as well. Ashley's going to be painting the symbols. These are going to be garden decorations for it. Oh my god. Garden decoration for it. Tai. Oh man, Tai's a whore. You'll get attention from anyone, especially if someone's awake. So we're using these for garden decoration. We're still testing terrain prints and base prints for our minis. I'm having a really bad time printing actual bases on these things. I don't know if it's just too fast of a print, or right now this is my 4th attempt. I flipped the base upside down, and hopefully that will work. If not, I have to research it because I'm having a hard time. They'll do a nice round ring, and then it will just make a huge mess towards the end of it. And it is one of those things. Isn't that right, Tai? But yeah, and we got more stuff for the fish. We got the Black Widow anemone. We got a Maximilia clam. We got four more firefish. I think that was pretty much it that I picked up. And food for them as well. Due to the fact that, found out that, these decovering the tank is not really a good idea because it will overheat. And I found out that it killed some of the corals. Has to be 70, 79. For some reason it was going over 89. I do not know why. Well, now I know for that reason. And we'll be going to the garage. Hopefully everything is okay. But we will go there and take a look. As you see, oh, it's still pretty. As you can see, it needs to be cleaned. I'll be ordering more tables. Actual table I can work on and replace these foldable ones. But I'll say this one's actually doing pretty good. They're doing way better in the square one than the round one. I actually removed some of the other ones because it did not do too well. It was just that one. But I think it did pretty good in my opinion for it. But I do love this, the 80 cubic Cobra Max 2. Then I had to make a makeshift version of the 5K filament using a broom handle because it's too damn big for it. But once in a while, I just leave it like that. Get a little slack. This printer sucks. Anyone that gets the Creative Ender 3 V2, don't get it. Especially gonna buy all these add-ons I have to get for these things. It is not good at all. It is really, really terrible. My goal is to get another resin printer, probably 2 more of different size, one size bigger, So that'll be the Photon. I believe Photon, one of the Photon has the 15-inch. That's a 13.5. And one smaller than that. So it'd be a 10-inch for it. So with a better screen and everything. But trying to get stuff done. More prints, more paints. For it, I just ordered a new airbrush. I got a new Vorpal paint shaker. I have a lot of stuff to clean up, build, put away. We got the Stormbringer that keeps things all around for it. So we got these as well. It was really cheap, and I want to know what the actual deal is, because they're like all over the thing on the side and stuff. So I want to try it out. If I don't like it, then I just cancel it. The funny thing is that they give a lot of free stuff for the first 4 months. So I think after all the free stuff is like gone, bye-bye. I don't want it anymore for it. But overall, it is basically, it's getting there. It's really, really getting there. It's just a lot of cleaning, a lot of organization, a lot of space that I have to, literally make space for. And during the summertime, it's just too dang hot in the office and the garage. I just can't wait for the fall and the winter when it gets a lot colder. And hurricane season's around the corner as well. Anyhow, I hope you guys do enjoy my rant. Let me know if you guys want me to do the live stream and so forth. Anyhow, subscribe, like, and share. Check out our Patreon and Discord. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.